we're here at the oral health service. Oh, there's coffee, honey. Oh. You need to make your own coffee. Open. Oh. Good morning. It's Polar Bear's birthday. Polar Bear birthday today. And dito kami sa town so early in the morning. Kasi meron siyang dental check-up. Kakabitan kasi siya ng what do you call it? False teeth?
Dentures.
Dentures. Yeah, they will put dentures. Kaya susukatan niya siya para malagay yung dentures. So, tingnan niyo may itsura ko. Nakaligo na ako, guys. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Hindi lang ako nakasuklay. Kasi nagmamadali na kami kanina. And, ayun. Diba? Mukha naman akong tao. So, meron kaming errands today kasi Thursday. So, after nito, punta kami sa Borbong para pumunta sa bank and kay Neri. So, update ko kayo later.
A few moments later.
Yung coffee shop there, over there. No, here? You want it here? Or the other one? Not much people there. You want it here or there?
Try one.
Yeah, oh. You gonna sit there at the end? You want it there? At the other side. Because it's not no much people there. There, see? No much people. It's quiet. I just don't know if it's nice or not. Where did we had our proposal before? It's on number 1. Oh, number 2. Number 1?
Number one.
Careful, don't rush. Where are you gonna sit? So we're here at Cafe on Bauer. Is it Bauer?
Yeah.
Oh, I read it right. Bauer. So happy birthday to my husband. Happy birthday. Are you happy?
Yes.
So what are you gonna do? What you gonna have? Dito kami sa Vergara, guys. So may we have our proposal there, oh. Off there. So later we'll go to the beach. Magbe-breakfast lang kami, guys, kasi it's too early. We haven't had anything, so we'll order there something. So ito yung in-order ko, guys. Chicken parmy siya.
Cheesecake too.
Cheesecake.
Yeah.
Where? Do you see a cheesecake there?
Yeah.
Yan, guys. Sarap chicken parmy. They usually serve it lunch. Pero ni-request ko na gusto ko yan. Kaya niluto ng chef. Even though ano pa lang, 9 AM pa lang. Diba? Special. So, kain muna kami, guys. So, tapos na kami mag-breakfast, guys. We're going for a walk. And sit for a quiet walk for a while in the front of the beach over there. So maraming tao today. I don't know because it's a Thursday. Don't need just straight go further. Because there's a stair, you cannot go down. You should try that one, but there's no
Okay.
people. No, I mean the coffee shop there.
Keep going always.
Keep going there, near the car. It's easy for you to
Yeah.
stand.
Yeah.
Yan o, see? Coffee, ice cream, waffle, churros, toasties, bubble tea, milkshake, donuts. Donuts! 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 Dunkin' Donuts! Ang ganda ng paligid niya. Hi guys! Nagtatadtad lang ako ng kinain ko. Si Polar Bear pinaupo ko doon somewhere there. Kasi busog din siya and hindi siya makapaglakad kasi wala siyang tulog guys. Hindi siya nakakatulog sa gabi. So minsan nag-start yung tulog niya from 6 a.m. So from 6 a.m. dun pa lang siya matutulog. Eh yun yung gising ko naman papasok sa work. So ayun, kaya tahimik naman kasi nakakapag pahinga siya while nasa work ako. Kaya lang, yun nga, parang ang tulog niya is parang manok, mayat maya siya nagigising. So nandito kami sa Vergara Beach as what I've said. So medyo low tide ngayon. Walang masyadong naliligo kasi nga low tide at saka napakainit. Pero maraming nakatambay at nagpapahangin, nag-exercise, nag-spend ng time para mag-relax. So ayan si Polar Bear. Ito lang yung kanyang simple celebration for his birthday. Gusto lang niya makakain ng masarap, matamis. Han! Hi! Guys, ito yung mga hotel dito. Pag gusto nyong mag-book and mag-stay for a night, for a couple of nights, may Silver Point, tsaka meron Pacific there. So tabi-tabi yung hotel dito, kaya hindi kayo mahirapang mag-book. Meron din doon sa kabilang side, which is doon kami stay ng honeymoon namin sa The Point Hotel. And then walking distance lang yung mga cafeteria dito, like there. So yan, tapos meron din mga bilihan like mga boutique and something. So doon lang yan. So beach. Si Habi nag-e-enjoy siya sa sikat ng araw kasi bihira nga kami lumabas.